Okay, now look at this. I want to show you something. And this is the reason why I switched to bevy game engine. So this is my target and I have debug and release. If you see, debug is something about 7.4 GBs and my release is about 2 GBs. Okay, now here I have my application and here I have my assets. So assets is from here. Yeah, if I click assets, I can see all my assets here and all the assets are taken from here. So I just copy pasted assets from there to here. Okay, now if I copy assets and copy my game from here to somewhere else, let's go to games. Okay, I go here and I just double click on it and start the game. If I do this much, it is going to run. And I do a start game and then I can see around. I can simply play my game now. As simple as that. Okay, yeah, here we go. So here's the meteor. Here are the enemy spaceships. Meteors get divided into 3 stages, as we were discussing this before. Okay, I will be changing meteors assets, probably, maybe not, but yeah. So the thing is, now I will quit it. You see here, just assets and this. All I need is these 2 things. I will read this. I will do this and this, and I will just compress it, zip file. I will name it game. So you see, my game is 55 MBs. Only 55 MBs. Now I can give it to anyone and anyone will be able to play it. Assets can be increased as much as we want. The quality of the assets, the quantity of the assets. So that is there, and then the game, the code, the binary. Okay, if I was building the same thing in Unreal Engine or Unity, I'm not so sure about Unity, but Unreal Engine, it would have been way much more than 200 MBs at least. After optimization, after turning off all the unnecessary plugins. Okay, it could also go 2 GBs for a simple game like this. Yeah, so this particle systems, there is sound, there are sprites, there are logics, and it's really nice to have something like this in under 55 MBs. And it's a game for PC, it's a game for computer. Think according to that, optimized, plus it's a release build. So if I had to check the debug build, yeah, this one is approximately 90 MBs, and the assets itself is something around, I guess, yeah, assets is a small pack, so it's just 35 MBs.